All right, section 4.1, review and preview. Discuss the necessity of sound sampling methods. Remember, poorly collected data cannot be redeemed. Common measures of characteristics of data, such as the mean and the standard deviation, are going to prove extremely important to us. Remember, we use the z-score to compare disparate groups. For example, SAT and ACT are measured on two different scales, but we can tell a student's relative standing, how many standard deviations above or below average their test scores are, in order to compare two students' performances on two tests that are measured using two different scales. Now, what we're going to be doing in the upcoming sections, in Chapter 4, we're going to be looking at probabilities. This is going to be one of the more challenging chapters for you. This goes beyond just the definition and terminology that we did in the first three chapters. We're actually going to be computing numbers now and finding probabilities. We are going to discuss the rare event rule for inferential statistics, which says if, under a given assumption, the probability of a particular observed event is extremely small, we conclude that the assumption is probably not correct. Statisticians use the rare event rule for inferential statistics. This is leading up to what we call the test of hypothesis that's coming up in upcoming chapters, so we'll get ready for that.